doesn't know which one to take. He's confused. Tyler, look! Look, baby, look! Mwah. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. How are y'all doing? Happy Christmas Eve. Well, it's Christmas Eve in France, so it should be Christmas Eve everywhere else in the world. It's just that we're up early and I am packing. Look, I'm packing all these things because we're leaving for the week to go spend Christmas with the family and friends. So yeah, that's what's up. I'm up early getting packing because we're leaving in a few hours. I don't know why I didn't pack from yesterday, but I wanted hubby to help me pack, so we're up early packing to get going. I'm gonna pack, then make some breakfast for babe, and then yeah, so this is all just Tyler's stuff. I'm trying to figure out what to carry and what not to carry, and then
Hi guys.
Happy Christmas Eve.
Happy Christmas Eve, happy Christmas, happy everything.
Happy holidays to everybody that is watching.
Oh yeah.
Hope you guys have a awesome Christmas and New Year when it comes, because I think you guys will see this vlog like a week after Christmas. So yeah, we are packing and getting ready to head out, so we'll catch you guys when we're on the way. Okay, you guys, packing is all done and we're ready to go. You ready to go? Yes, you ready to go? You excited to see grandma, grandpa, auntie? You just care about your pacifier, right? Right? Come on, let's go. Okay, you guys, so since we are leaving for the week, we decide that we're gonna pull our gifts today. We decided that we're gonna pull our Christmas gifts today because we won't be home and we want to have that family moment. So we are about to pull our Christmas gifts. And under the tree we also have gifts for the family, so we're gonna take those out and pull ours. Ready? Pretty. Tyler, come here, baby. Come here. Sit. Come. Come. Not this one. This one. Not this one. Pull it, baby. Pull it. Pull it. Look. Wow! Look at the scissors. Wow!
Merci. Merci.
Wow! Tana, look! Look at you. You see you in here? That's gift number 2. What is the good thing I didn't buy the other one because this one makes noise? Uh-oh.
Regarde maman.
Yay!
Dans la boue, la maman est en bonne compagnie, entourée de grands joie.
You have another one! Look, there's another one! I don't know which one to take, he's confused. Tiny, look! Look, baby, look! Ah. Look, Papa! You don't like this one? He's so excited, he doesn't know which one to choose from. Oh my god, my ears! He doesn't know which one to choose from. Tell us. Tell us, you hear that? Wait, don't pull it.
Hello.
Stella, look, there's another one. Look, there's one more. So that's 4 gifts. Come, Papa. Come. Oh, yes, this one. Look. There is another one. Come. This one teach you shapes, baby. Hey. Whoa. Whoa. Come, this one goes in here. Come, Papa. Here. Here.
Yeah.
Come. Put it
Yeah.
in.
You see?
Put it in. Put them in here. So I open first. Huh? Okay. You got with the juice I wanted. Thank you, baby. I wanted to drink. Oh my god. Oh, you got me the dress I like. You guys, and I got this jacket. I am in love with this jacket. Like, totally in love with this jacket, you guys.
S, it was extra S.
This is my most exciting gift. This is my most exciting gift of all. So this is my other gift. You don't want me to pull out my gifts first?
Okay.
I don't know what it is, but let's see.
I'm gonna stop there.
Show you this one. Mwah.
Alright.
Why are you taking it so gently?
Okay.
Yes, it's yours.
Time.
I hope it fits.
Ow. I hope so too.
Love it. I'm so in love.
I do like it.
Tyler's having a ball with all his fandangles, all his gifts. You guys, I have been talking about this red dress all week. I've been talking about this red dress all week and I had no idea that he would go on and get it. And I have been talking about wanting one of these. And I finally got it! You playing guitar? Thank you, baby.
Hope you like it.
Yes.
And I hope you like
I love all my gifts, you guys. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing Christmas Eve. Tyler is killing my ears right now. So everybody's all happy with their gift and that's awesome. But Tyler is killing my ears. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. We all happy about our gifts, so that's super good. They're killing my ears right now. We are about to go get ourselves ready so we can get going on the road and head to Avignon. I think we have like a 2.5 hour drive. Yes, baby. I think we have about 2.5 hours drive to reach where we're going. So we'll catch you guys later. Bye, guys. Look at these. Yes, baby.